Chapter 3. Clothes we wear. Need for clothes. Fibers and fabrics. Care of clothes. Our clothes shield us from the sun, the wind, the rain, the dust, and insects. They make us feel comfortable and fashionable. Different types of clothes. People wear different types of clothes throughout the day. Clothes for school, clothes for home, clothes for play, clothes for party, clothes for sleeping, etc. Need for clothes. Clothes are made of different materials that suit the weather of a place. We wear different clothes during different seasons. We wear light-colored clothes made from cotton or linen in summer. We wear dark-colored clothes made from wool in winter. These clothes do not allow heat from our body to escape. We wear raincoats made from waterproof materials such as plastic or rubber during rains. We also wear full-sleeved clothes which protect us from insects such as mosquito bites. Fibers and fabrics. Clothes are made from fabrics. If we look closely at any fabric, we can see that it is made up of many thin threads. These thin threads are called yarns. Each yarn is further made up of many long and very thin strands called fibers. Fibers may be natural or man-made. Natural fibers. Natural fibers include fibers which are obtained from plants and animals. We get cotton, jute and linen fibers from plants. We get wool, silk and fur from animals. Let us learn more about natural fibers. Cotton fibers come from cotton plants. Cotton is used to make bedsheets, towels, bandages, etc. Jute fibers come from jute plants. Jute fibers are used to make bags, sack, mats and carpets. We get linen from flax plants. They are used to make napkins, towels, tablecloths, fish nets, etc. Wool comes from the hair of sheep, goats and camels. Wool is used to make gloves, sweaters, socks and caps. Cotton, jute, linen, wool. Silk fibers come from cocoons of an insect called the silkworm. Silk clothes are attractive and are used to make saris. Fur comes from the hair of rabbits and beavers. It is used to make caps, gloves and coats. The skin of dead animals is treated to make leather. The process of changing the skin into leather is called tanning. Leather is used to make purses, belts, shoes and coats. Synthetic fibers. Fibers that are not found in nature and are prepared synthetically artificially are called man-made or synthetic fibers. Most fabrics made from synthetic fibers are strong and can last long. Some of these are stretchable, waterproof and wrinkle-free. Examples of synthetic fibers are nylon, rayon and polyester. Care of clothes. It is not sufficient to simply cover our bodies with clothing. We must also take care of them. How would you appear in soiled, wrinkled attire? To make our clothes look neat, clean, and last longer, we must wash and iron them. Washing clothes. Cotton clothes can be washed with a good soap and detergent to remove all the sweat, dirt and stains. Dark and light-colored clothes should be washed separately. Silk and woolen clothes should be washed either with a mild detergent or given for dry cleaning. Synthetic clothes can be washed with any detergent. White clothes should be dried in the sun to get rid of germs, but colored clothes should be dried in the shade to avoid the fading of colors. Airing of clothes should be done in rainy and winter seasons. Any tears or holes need to be repaired right away. Storing clothes. Always wash and dry clothes properly before storing them. Keep the cupboards free of insects. Woolen and silk clothes should be stored after dry cleaning and airing. We should use naphthalene balls or dried neem leaves to protect them from moth or silverfish. The main threat to clothing is rats. They gnaw and ruin them. Rat traps can be used to keep rats away. Synopsis. Our clothes shield us from the sun, the wind, the rain, the dust, and insects. Clothes are made of different materials that suit the weather of a place. We wear different clothes during different seasons. We get cotton, jute and linen from plants. A fabric is made up of many thin threads called yarns. We get wool, silk, fur and leather from animals. Nylon, rayon and polyester are synthetic fibers. To make our clothes look neat, clean, and last longer, we must wash and iron them.